I made the payment on the portal. It could be school fees, it could be whatever payment. My money had been debited. But my receipt is not on the portal. As in when I logged into the portal and I scroll down, I cannot see the receipt for my payment. But I have been debited. What should I do? Right? Click log into the portal. After logging in, click on requery payment. After clicking on it, it's going to display this as you are seeing on the screen. Click on display payment records. This will show you all the list of payments you have ever made on the portal as a student, right? Once that is done, you have to click on the requery in the very front of the payment that you made. Yeah, but it will only show you 10 views at a go. You can increase this to 100 views in case you have made several payments to the through the portal, right? Now what you're going to do now is trace the date for the payment that you are claiming to have made. Trace the payment. Let's say this is the payment, right? Check the RRR of the payment debited on your account. At least you have forwarded a Remita receipt. Look at the RRR. Trace the RRR from here. You should be seeing pending or unsuccessful on the RRR. Okay. If not, then click on requery. Right now, if you have, for example, if this is the payment that was not successful and there is a payment on it, you just click requery. If there is a payment on it, you will see it. It will roll and tell you that the payment has been processed. At that moment, you will see the receipt on the portal. Otherwise, look at what you have on the screen. Your previous payment attempt or school fee has been revalidated and was found unsuccessful. That means that this student needs to go back to the bank and make the formal complaint, implying that the payment he made had not been deposited into the University of Abuja's account. It is not reflecting on the guy's account, right? Now, if you have such, go back to your bank. But in a situation where the payment is reflecting, the moment you do a click like that, this is the feedback that you're going to see. You will see that your payments, as you can see on the screen, oh, that your name, your previous payments and all that, you just see the payment problem has been corrected. Just click OK. If you go back to the portal at that point, you will see the payment receipt on your portal. Is that okay? Sila, please help me to follow, like, and subscribe.